Hello viewers, okay, we're going to make the fuel line for the XC. I'll show you what's going on. Now, this was originally a 6-cylinder, so the original 6-cylinder fuel line is just a plastic line coming out here, which was handy when the fuel pump was back here. And the V8 one needs to be up the front. What we're going to do is, where the nylon line comes through here, we'll make a steel line as close as I can to a factory steel line, which does some weird shapes here. Runs around this side, runs along here, up here, and out through this hole. Now fortunately I've got one to copy off. I'll just show you what it looks like on my car. Okay, now this is an XY fuel line, which is steel from front to back. Now I'm going to, about here is where the XC plastic one comes out of the sill. So I'm going to try and replicate the XY one, which goes around there like that. We'll duck around. There's some weird shapes here, around up there, into there, over there, around the front, and comes through there, up there, and out there. So yeah, I'm going to try and copy that. We'll see how we go. Okay, so I'm going to start out with the engineer's chalk, marking out roughly where I want the fuel line to run. I think come down. I'm going to try to copy the XY as much as I can. Why it hasn't got this, and there's no way through it. Come under here. Okay, so I've marked out roughly how I want it to go, and I've got an old piece of brake bundy pipe that I'm going to use to make myself a bit of a template. Wonder why I think there's all crap laying around. Well, this is why. Okay, so there we have it. Very, very rough template. Let's see if I can turn it into something half reasonable. Okay, so there we have it. One very bent up piece of pipe from the template. Let's see how it works. Got a couple of original brackets, so that should make it look a bit prettier. And a bit of fake anodising with the dust off of gold paint.
Hey guys.
Hey. Okay, looks the goods. Now, around there, under there, around there, and up along there where it'll take over from the plastic pipe. So, that is that for the fuel line.